than enough, more than enough. The violent hush, the mark of lust, the moment of just you and me. It was too sweet, like a movie scene, swept me off my feet, took me to your room, and I don't even know you. To you, it was only sex. To me, we were making love. I don't wanna leave, I want you all of me.
You complete me in ways I never understood.
Dionso.
Distract the pain and pressure that runs through my veins. You take it all away. The remedy to the cloud that's followed me all my life. You're my light. It's like you're the reason I exist. This is what love is. I'll cut everybody else off. I don't need any friends, but I know that I'll need you again.
And I know I'm asking too much from a stranger, but can we do it again? But can we do it again? Can we do it again? But can we do it again? Can we do it again? Can we do it again? And he goes, without you, girl, I still exist. You don't complete me, but you keep me. Why do you hurt yourself the way you do? And I say, as long as you can't see through me, I'll let you believe what you want to. I'll let you believe that I want you. I'm doing too much, I'm in danger. But can we do it again? Girl, come, let's do it again. Girl, come, let's do it again. But can we do it again? 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 But can we do it again? Can we do it again?